Can I do like this? Yeah, and then do like this. Yes, to make it sharp, right? Yeah. And then you can do like this. This is the old habit when I was a young boy. When I go to the right field to take care of my cow, I don't have any tool. So this is the first choice to do like this. Yeah. I think it is good because it cannot make our ear hurt. Yeah, it's smooth. Yeah, good. Here. So feeling well. Yeah, the water inside the ear, it can remove it away. Good. Try again and again until we feel cool. So until we feel nothing in the air, it's okay. Yeah, try again and again. Good. So very well. Here, right? Here, it can make our air hurts, right? It's safe. I think it is no virus on it. Yeah. Try. Good. So very well. Airway will go away from our air. Yeah, we clean like this. Yes, good. So I think that is the no air water inside the air. So okay, that's all. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye. See you next video. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye. Good luck all.